Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to understand and exercise English grammar topics and literary devices which broadly come under word power. These topics are going to help you in your upcoming Olympiad exams as well as improve your writing and communication skills. So today, under word power, we will understand and do exercises of the following topics. Number 1, analogies. Number 2, collective nouns. Number 3, homophones. And number 4, occupations. Let's begin with analogies. An analogy is a comparison between two things which have some similarities or are connected in some way with each other. Let us understand with examples. Tadpoles grow and become frogs, and caterpillars become butterflies. So tadpoles is to frog and caterpillars is to butterflies. Next, birds make nests and bees make hives. So birds is to nest and bee is to hive. Now let us solve the exercises. Read the following analogies and choose the most suitable answer. Number 1. If spoon is to fork, then cup is to option D, saucer. Number 2. If lock is to key, then question is to option B, answer. Number 3. If wings is to bird, then fins is to option C, fish. Number 4. If city is to country, then planet is to option B, solar system. Number 5. If knight is to sword, then wizard is to option C, wand. Number 6. If telescope is to stars, microscope is to option B, bacteria. The next topic is collective nouns. A word or a phrase that is used for a collection of things like people, animals, stationery, etc. taken as a whole is known as collective noun. Example, a gang of thieves, a crew of sailors, a school of whales. Let's solve the exercises. Choose the correct name of the group from the given options. Number 1. A dash of cards. C. Deck. Number 2. A dash of pearls. C. String. Number 3. A dash of ants. A. Army. Number 4. A dash of dust. B. Cloud. Number 5. A dash of drawers. A. Chest. Number 6. A dash of keys. B. Bunch. Next is homophones. A word that sounds the same as another but has a different meaning. Same sounding words. Example, there, there. Sore, sore. Pair and pair. Let's solve the exercises. Choose the correct homophones. Number 1. Let's wait for everyone to arrive and then cut the cake. Option B. WAIT. Wait. Number 2. We should never lie to our parents. Option A. LIE. Lie. Number 3. After a few snacks, they served the main course. Option A. COURSE. Course. Number 4. Bread is made from flour, water and yeast. Option A. FLOUR. Flour. Number 5. My library book is due in 2 days. A. DUE. Due. Number 6. The new king's reign will last for many years. A. REIGN. Reign. The last topic is occupations. A term used to refer to a person doing a specific job or profession is called his occupation. Example: goldsmith, a person who makes gold and other precious jewelry. Hairdresser, a person who cuts, colors, styles hair. Let's see the exercises now. Choose the most suitable word to answer the following. Number 1. The dash assured that the operation was successful. Option B. Surgeon. Number 2. The beach was safe as there was a dash keeping watch. Option C. Lifeguard. Number 3. There was a dash selling handicraft items. Option C. Hawker. Number 4. A dash brings out food at a restaurant. Option C. Waiter. Number 5. The dash went to the field to harvest his crops. Option C. Farmer. Number 6. A dash cuts and sells meat. Option B. Butcher. So that was all for today. We'll be back with more exercises next time.